Hello friends, this is Professor Mr. Abhijit Anand Aivade, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study about the chapter number 4 of the subject IME, Industrial Measurement. The subject code is 22420. The fourth chapter is Level Measurement. This chapter covers approximately 14 marks. So it is a very important chapter. Okay. In this chapter we are going to study about level and its units, classification of level measurement methods, that means a direct method, indirect method. In the direct method we are going to study about the hook type, slide glass, hydrostatic, that means air purge method, and in the indirect measurement method we are going to study about the float type, with linear, rotary potentiometer, capacitive type, ultrasonic type, radar type. Then typical specification of the electrical level measurement method, calibration of air purge and the capacitance types level system. These covered in this chapter. So let's start. The first is definition of the level measurement. A level is defined as the liquid contained in a vessel, reservoir and the tank or liquid column high in a open channel streams. A variety of other similar cases in an industrial process. Now, need of level measurement. This question is asked about 4 to 5 times in the exam. Summer 14, winter 14, summer 16, winter 16, summer 17, summer 18, winter 17. Describe the need of level measurement. Well, actually measurement of a level is important and essential in many cases such as solvents, chemicals, other liquid required for a processing, in which case level measurement and the control is essential. In manufacturing plants, thermal power station, chemical plant, measurement of a level and control is most important. Filling of a large liquid is also important, where measurement and control is required. Knowledge of water level is overhead tank is very important. Knowledge of water level in an overhead tank is very important. There are different methods for a such measurement. These are the need of level measurement. Hence, its a measurement and control becomes a quite important in a variety of the process encountered in the modern manufacturing plants. Now, let's study about the type classification of level measurement. But before a classification of the level measurement, we first need about the unit of level. The level measurement mainly involves a liquid level measurement in the container or the tank. The level is measured directly in the absolute tank unit like a cm or a meter, centimeter or a meter, or it can be measured in terms of the percentage. For example, a tank level of a 4 meter when tank becomes full corresponding to 100%, so 2 meter corresponding to 50% and so on. Now, the classification of level measurement method. There are actually main two types of the level measurement. First is the direct method and another one is the indirect method. In the direct method there are 4 subtypes, just like a dipstick type, hook type, slide glass method and air purge method. Air purge method is also known as a hydrostatic type or pneumatic method. Indirect method are classified into the 5 types: float method, capacitive method, ultrasonic method, nuclear radiation method, and last one is a radar type method. All these classification is covered in this chapter. So we are going to study about the first dipstick method. These are the construction diagram of the dipstick method. A simple graduated rod or a strip is dipped vertically in the liquid and taken out. The liquid stick on the strip and can be directly read by our eyes. The graduation are in centimeter and fraction. It is generally to check the level of petrol in the tank. This method is also called as a bob and tap method. इज वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड. क्या करते हैं इसमें? डिप स्टिक मेथड है. कुछ नहीं, ये टैंक है, टैंक में कुछ कोई भी एक वेसल है, वेसल में कोई भी लिक्विड है, कंसिडर करो कि उसमें पेट्रोल है. देन ए डीप स्टिक मेथड, वो उसमें डीप करते हैं. डीप करने के बाद जितना लेवल से भरा हुआ है, अगर इतना है तो इतना ही रेड हो जाएगा, इतना ऊपर वाला ब्लू का ब्लू रहेगा. सो जितना रेड हुआ उतना समझ लेना उतना उसमें लिक्विड है. इट्स एडवांटेजेस इसके वेरी इजी टू यूज़, इकोनॉमिकल है एंड सिंपल मेथड है. बट इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस है कंटिन्यूस मेजरमेंट नॉट पॉसिबल, ऑब्वियसली नॉट पॉसिबल, नॉट यूजफुल फॉर अ मूविंग फ्लूइड. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डिपस्टिक मेथड इज पेट्रोल लेवल मेजरमेंट इन द अंडरग्राउंड टैंक used to check liquid level in a small tank, in a car engine to check a petrol level. Okay, now next one is the hook type. These are the construction diagram of the hook type. Millet head, vertical rod, hook and liquid. These are shown in the figure. A graduate scale vertically rod terminate in the hook which touch the liquid level. The rod is tubular. The rod at the top is attached to the mill head which can be turned to rise or lower the rod. It is so turned that hook just touch the liquid surface. At the instant the reading is noted on the scale of the vernier. This hook gauge is very useful in detecting a very small change in the level. In case of a large volume reservoir, a small channel in a level corresponding to large channel in the survivor. This method is also suitable to determine the flow of river and level of reservoirs. Okay, there are some advantages and disadvantages. A very simple construction, good accuracy, approximately 0.2 mm प्लस माइनस एरर, इतना ही उसमें एरर है, बाकी सब एक्यूरेसी है. यूजफुल इन डिटेक्टिंग अ स्मॉल चेंज इन लेवल करस्पॉन्डिंग टू अ लार्ज चेंज इन द रिजर्वर. यूजफुल टू डिटरमाइन द फ्लो ऑफ रिवर एंड लेवल ऑफ रिजर्वर. बट देयर आर सम डिसएडवांटेजेस लाइक मस्ट बी ऑपरेटेड वर्टिकली, अदरवाइज एरर इन द रीडिंग. ये वर्टिकली ही यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम. इट इज़ अ मैन्युअली ऑपरेटेड डिवाइस, ऑटोमेटिक कोई सिस्टम नहीं है, मैन्युअली ऑपरेटेड ही डिवाइस है. It useful for opening big size tank, container, reservoirs, river flow. These are the applications of the hook gauge type method. Now let's move toward the slide glass method. This is one of the important method. A figure shows a water in the boiler or a oil in the transformer whose level is to be measured. A slide tube is placed beside the tank. यहाँ पे आपको slide tube दिखा रहे हैं साइड में. इसके कुछ एडवांटेजेस है, just like for a clean and clear liquid and colored liquid level can be directly read. No transducer required direct measurement, so better accuracy. Another advantage is used up to temperature of 316 degree and 10,000 psi. A different glasses design available. Now the disadvantages: cannot be used for a dirty, viscous and corrosive liquid. Reliability, accuracy depends on the liquid and a glass properties. Unsuitable to read if the tank is located at inconvenient place. There are some applications just like used for continuous reading, indication of a liquid level within a tank or a vessel, used for a clear or colored liquid level measurement. So in the next video we are going to study about the air purge or the hydrostatic type, या फिर उसको न्यूमेटिक मेथड भी बोल सकते हैं. इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में स्टडी करेंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच.